Happy Monday, everybody. We're back at German Auto House doing what we do. Today we have Ferrari F430. Came in to us for a few goodies.
Hi everybody, Ferrari. You forgot how it's spelled. Ferrari. Ferrari. Yeah, simple headers. What we do? We replace auto sensors upstream. Then we do the decut tune for this guy, and then annual service. The car is being, but guys, headers is not from us. Somebody, previous owner, they swapped that headers before. We just fix proper way. They have this
Spook.
and this is like bypass, catalytic, I don't know how is they calling, but we do the tune, we remove these gadgets stuff, I don't know how to say. Yeah, we do everything proper way. Tune is done, oil change and service coming, auto sensors is almost replaced. About this car, now we decide what we want to do. We talk with the customer, with our client. It's a two possible way. Of course, we not rebuild that engine because it's too big damage and take a lot of time. Or brand new from dealer, or low miles, warranty and good quality, like insurance quality. We like to say insurance quality. I mean, it's the best and the best. We start work on this Audi R8 today. Finish few things, and a lot of McLarens come tomorrow. I can give you small teaser. We have a Senna seat, and we need to swap on 720. Damn, it's super expensive, and I'm surprising. It's not that bad. How is that? No, it looks like art. I would like to say carbon art, right? How you like it? It looks.
It's very cool. I'm just skeptic if it's gonna fit.
No, for sure. Many of people, they have a conversion. It's for Senna seat. It's really expensive. I don't want to say what number, but
they can Google it.
It's a 5-digit number for payer.
What customer wants, customer wants.
Yeah. Sometimes people like a gold toilet, and other people like expensive.
Some people like carbon fiber toilet seats.
No, it's maybe one day.
In the future.
In the future, for sure. 570 McLaren came with a boost leak and e-brake, and if you watch our vlog, it's a common issue. People don't know how to use e-brake button.
Just like
it's fixable. Yeah, it's fixable, no problem. And Aventador, we receive all parts. We start work on Aventador this week for engine, exhaust, and like a annual service, spark plugs, and many of things. Stay tuned and start work on this guy.
Everything has been done. Final is checking the oil level.
Yeah, after, always I recommend it, just feel. Yeah, it's a little bit low, like here. I need that other, like, shut down, please. I added first time when I start filling engine oil. It's been like 6 liter. It's total 9.5 liter of engine oil. I fill 6 liter. We fire up, wait like a 15 second. We check the gauge. It start reaching oil pressure. We then keep like 15 seconds, and then we shut down and fill another 3 liter. It's total 9, and from 9 we start adjust the level. Cars have to be warm, little bit leave at 2,000-3,000 RPM for 1 minute, then keep it idle and open the dipstick and check the level. It's something between 9 to 10 liters, like depend how many. Sometimes if you open the main screw from tank, second one from sump pump, and then it's have in a, how is the column, oil tank. You can replace the one, it's like a mesh, right?
Mesh, yeah.
Yeah, you remove that mesh and little bit drain it more, but normally it's like something around 9.5 liter. Now I already checked, I need added 300 gram, then fire up, leave a idle and check again. But this is easy procedure for oil level checking. Car, of course, car is have to be warm and engine run at idle. Okay, Ferrari 430 left. Level is good, everything is good. Ilya start play with his toys. It's a late Monday today. He tried to find a couple more wire. Good luck, my friend.
Thank you.
And time jump to this guy. Our last vlog. You see what happens with this bank. And what I want to do first, again, remove intake manifold, wires, valve cover and camshaft bed. This is what I need to remove. Here is the whole tools for V6, V8 and V10 engines. This is everything what is need for this job. We love that company, it's Baum Tools. And my goal for today just to turn down everything, prepare to installation tomorrow. Let's start. Well, this is another day, and here we are. Now we need to replace all hydraulic lifter, and we have an issue, guys. I just wanna remind you with this cylinder number 3, but we decided to replace all of them, of course. From high speed you can see how we pull out all parts, timing, and everything what is required for that bed removal. And we of course we lock the crankshaft. They have a special pin on the bottom at timing mark. Okay, let's start replace lifters and then everything assembled back. Okay. Lifter time. I already replaced 16. Now it's the last cylinder, number 1. New coming in. Here is the small clip holder. Clip in, clip out, ta-da, and then clip in. And here is the roller. The Lamborghini and Audi, they sell whole unit like that. It's cost like $130 something, but the lifter, you can buy it lifter by itself. Here is the part number for the lifter. It's a 4200224-100. For 3-liter engine, for V6 engine, exactly same original one, but dealer sell the whole rocker arm unit. Here is the $10 lifter, or something like, no 10 something, 15 or 20, I forgot. Here is the 130, 150. And here is the last full lifter over there. Yeah, just need to untype this one. Then new coming in, clip it out, then clip in, and this is last one. Now I need to clean the bed, camshaft bed, and cylinder head, and then I start do silicone. Of course I will show you and install the new gasket.
It's Lamborghini time.
Say again?
Lamborghini or Ghini.
Lamborghini, yeah.
Don't drop that.
It's not that, this something around 2,000.
Only.
2,500 bucks.
Only.
Yeah, I think everybody understands why we pull apart rear end. Yeah, we have a exhaust from Fabspeed, and then we have a all annual service for this car, up to date, spark plugs, cabin air, oil change, a lot of things. That car has issue with the ignition module, left and right. We received a new one. We like to replace it, and then fire up, check how it's exhaust. But we still keep the original downpipe to avoid the check engine light and smell. Yeah, here is our plan for a day. Mostly this car and we have a few car more outside, but this is just like simple, like some module, another module, programming, blah blah blah. But here is the plane. Okay, let's pull apart and start to install exhaust. I think if you interested, we have so many vlogs, but we just we can show when we pull apart and when we assemble it to check how is the sound. I think we done so many Lamborghini exhaust swap, and you can see it from by detail in any our vlog. Okay. Lamborghini. Time to this lightweight guy to be installed. Huh?
Sounds good.
I wanna hear how it sounds good. Good or not good? It's a Valvatronic.
Fabspeed, good company.
It's a good company. Let's see, because this is like a valve. It's pre-owned exhaust. It's not new one. Customer found the used one, and here is the little bit different. It's like, I mean, when the valve open, the small pipe working. It looks like more straight, but it's more skinny. I think it's more. It's not more like. It's a high pitch note more on this exhaust because it's smaller diameter when you open. That one, it's a bigger diameter, but it's still muffler. We can call this muffler.
High flow muffler.
It's like it's not a muffler. It's nothing. But okay, let's see. Let's see. For me, that shiny looks good. Stainless steel. Okay.
Muffler is nicely hidden back to where it's supposed to be. The Fabspeed, still working on it. Got a few things to do.
Yeah, this is the. Sorry, guys. That muffler, if we can say muffler, it's best fitment for all the time. Easy, just like pum.
Slip on and call it a day.
And yesterday, I have a big challenge with this guy. It's spoiler mechanism, and that mechanism is stuck close. And for removal that spoiler, whew, you have like with your two tiny finger have to open the bolt, because like when this it's normally we raise the spoiler and then open 4 bolt, and then you can remove the wing. Here is stuck, and this is my second repair. And okay, what happens? It's pain in the ass for reassembling that spoiler. It's crazy, but already done. And what happens? That spoiler equipped with the brake. This is 3. You can see this is the number 1, this is the number 2, and this is the number 3. This is like a big sandwich pack. Inside this this is like a gear ratio, like a drop box, whatever. Yeah, it's possibly say drop box for the spoiler, because this is high speed electric motor, and that mechanism just reduce the speed and rise the torque for, because it's like it's difficult to open and close the spoiler. They have a 3 position. It's close, halfway on, and full way on. And they have a brake. When this like apply power, the brake, the clutch brake, doesn't matter whatever you call it, they just like sucked and start spinning the motor. Then when just like the computer turn off the power, the clutch, they have a small spring, they just like locked the spoiler, and it corroded. It corroded, and no any way to rise that spoiler. Here is the disc. This is the friction stuff, and the friction stuff between this is 2 discs. Yeah, already cleaned, all rust, corrosion. Let's install everything back and let's see. Let's check. This is emergency. This is the emergency. If like the problem with the clutch, you can open this nut and emergency move. But when the spoiler is closed, it's impossible. Okay, let's install everything back and check. everything marked. And just give me a few seconds because I need to install few bolt before we assemble it, guys. My recommendation to do picture. You need to mark everything from which place any single bolt, because if you forget these things, no way to recognize, because that spoiler used mechanism costs 3,000 used, and I really don't know how much for new one, but
And if it's available.
yeah, but I think it's available. It's a steel Aventadors inline. It's a little bit different, but our mechanism is same. Okay. If you can see, now I can spin. Just if I touch this button, I can turn the motor. See?
Free spin it.
Yeah. Here is the just like release the brake. Okay, let's apply the power and check. We have our just like our own power box, and let's check, because normally this like have to, it's a two things, clutch and motor. See how it looks like? You hear the click? Then it's a one way. Let's check another way. Backward. Ta-da! We fixed the spoiler. Let's assemble everything back and install back on the car. Ta-da! GPS antenna for Mercedes.
No. G-Wagon.
G-Wagon, okay. Follow me, guys. 570S, low miles car. And we have a really bad oil leak. We added video because we just filmed for customer on the phone, and we have a leak between cases, and still little bit over there. It's strange. 13,000 mile, guys. I just retorqued this 4 bolt and looks like almost gone, but I'm sure it's still little bit leaks. It's strange. McLaren is always really interesting car. We done oil change for this car. That car has leak. The customer mentioned before a few issues with the button, but so far so good. I hope that car is not bring a lot of problem. I would like to ask the customer drive this car and check if any puddle of engine oil on the when he stored that car overnight or next day, just to make sure it's no leaks. If it's still leaking, drop the engine, replace the covers, and it's little bit wet on the rear end of the engine, I think from main seal, but I hope this is just the oil flying. Yeah. Well, 720 here, and we swap center seat inside. The driver's seat is already in, mounted, adjusted, and now it's time for passenger seat. It's not that difficult. I would like to say level 1, just a bolt, all connector and harnesses. I think it's need to decode the occupant seat on the passenger side, but so far. And then we do swap on this 720 in inlet pipe. They have a fail, the small plastic piece like a reducer, I don't know how is they call them, is moving inside and easy to damage the turbocharger. Yeah, we do the pure turbo installation, silicone pipe, and bye bye. We have couple more car for today, but let's finish with this.